Let's make crispy lemon pepper chicken and creamy feta pasta. Come on. Lightly sprinkle some salt and pepper on top of your drumsticks. You can use a wired baking rack like I am in the video, or just a baking sheet. We're gonna bake these in the oven for about an hour or until that skin is nice and crispy and we get a beautiful golden brown color on our chicken. While the chicken bakes, take your favorite type of pasta and start cooking. We're obviously gonna need lemon pepper seasoning to make our lemon pepper chicken. I have some of that, some fresh parsley, and a stick of butter in my pan. To that, I'm gonna add some garlic powder and onion powder. And if you like, you can add some fresh garlic. I just did 2 small cloves right there. And just about anything else you wanna put in here, you can. Melt that, and don't forget the fresh squeezed lemon juice. For our feta pasta, we're gonna melt together some sour cream, and you wanna use a good quality butter. Once that's melted through, add as much fresh parsley as you'd like, and then you're gonna add as much feta as you'd like. I add a bunch because I am crazy about feta, and all you're gonna do is once your pasta is fully cooked, you're gonna add that and mix it until well combined. An hour later, our chicken is beautiful, crispy, and cooked through. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to take a brush and brush over that delicious lemon pepper sauce, making sure I get every nook and cranny of that drumstick. Comment down below and let me know if you give this recipe a try, and don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more recipes.